our operational hours po dito, we are open from Tuesday to Sunday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. po. Our entrance fee po, 100 pesos. And for the group tour po, usually with the approval of the management po, we give 20% discount. So, Clark Museum po, open po siya. It was open July 7, 1994. To give information to the sa mga tourists and investors po namin kung ano po meron dito sa loob ng park. And this building po actually was used by the Americans po before. The first floor po will be the medical purposes po nila, and the second floor po the offices po nila. So right now we have ongoing exhibit po, no? With Sir Dennis Su po, no? It's a Kapampangan artist din po. So feel free to see the painting po.
Kasi mo na sinabi na why na Kapampangan
Kapampangan Museum. Usually, since we are nearby sa mga sa mga near towns po ni Clark po, like Angeles, Mabalacan, Ora. So yun po, we highlight po yung mga tradition po na pwede rin namin siyang i-offer outside Clark dito. And also the tradition in Pampanga po, na-adapt din po dito sa Clark po. It's because big lang po yung pagitan talaga. So ito po, every month po we highlight po mga different arts po, depende po sa place. So this one po is Dennis Wu po, one of our Kapampangan artists.
more on painting may kanyang pinaka-passion more on parang new technology.
Yes po. And cartoons po. Inspired in Japan po. And not only that po, ang kinagandahan po dito sa Clark Museum, our President and CEO po, initiated this area po na feel free to use the museum. And the client or the buyers po directly contact to artist po. Sige po, please join me here po, Max. Arts po. Foreign Japan. Yes. Yes. Sige po, everyone po, please join me here po.
Still part of that as soon as
Map po, number.
put it to either on the
Sige po, 20.